Hello mga guys, this is Kuya Mike TV at ating sagutan itong number 207. Yan, 207 EPS sample exam. Tara guys, samahan nyo ako. Yan, basahin na natin ha. Okay, sabi ni Ga, E blank, Hirumi mo yeyo. Yan yung sabi ni Ga. Ang sagot naman ni Na ay Subak yeyo, churo yurum chule, mani muklunde, aju tarayo. Ang sabi ni Guy in English ay what is the name of this? What is the name of this? Sabi ni Ga. Sagot naman ni Na in English ay this is a watermelon. We usually have it in summer and it is very sweet. Yan.